Yeah, you just never know. Alright, so we're here in La Setenta, actually speaking. So and let her know when I'm pulling up. Not every day I'm in this area. So we gotta get our clean dentist, man. The dentist is here in Colombia is so affordable, bro. Go hit up a dentist. Connection issues, Gucci Mane is bugging out. I can't see it on my end because I'm jumping from connection to connection. Hold up. Because I just left the Wi-Fi over there. This is so dangerous. I never like doing this, bro. Because now I'm really advertising myself. You see that? I'm really advertising myself with my arm out here recording. It's a lot that could happen. Don't do this, y'all. Never do what I'm doing. I'm the example that you're not supposed to do. But because I'm about to dip the area, I'm meh. And you can ask the people here. You do this in the streets, you just asking for it. But I'm cool. I'm gonna loop around in a bit, and I'm keeping my eyes on the road while I'm looking at the chat. That's how connection issues go. That is just quiet and dead today. Yeah, don't do this. Don't do this solo. Don't ever do this. Don't ever do this because you never know who's watching you. And you gotta look out for so much other outliers. How's the connection now? You guys gotta keep me updated. I think at this point I'm gonna loop around. My man says, dang, connection issues, Gucci Mane. Gracias. We'll loop around. I'm not even sure what you guys see that I don't see. We'll loop around, cross the street, loop around the dead side. Yeah, this is highly dangerous. This is Johnny Laos. Dang, who's here? There's one person in the chat, let me know. Where are you guys viewing at? Where are you guys viewing from? Hold up. Some people pulling up. Give me 1 second. Alright, cool.